So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to pan and zoom over your desktop easily and smoothly. This can really help your audience focus on a specific area during your informative YouTube videos or presentations. It's super simple to use, and the best part is, the tool we're going to use is completely free. So let's get started. First, you'll want to download an application called Glassbrick from softpedia.com. I've already downloaded it myself. Once the file is downloaded, just extract the zip file, and you'll see the Glassbrick portable application. Yes, it's a portable app, so you don't need to install anything. Simply double-click to launch the app. I've got it running on my system right now, and you'll find it in your system tray. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your hotkey preferences. Pick something that's easy for you to use. Once that's all set, just press your hotkey and move your mouse around. And that's it. You're good to go. So, that's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.